What's up with it? It's your girl KB, and I'm back with another video. You already know what to do. Click the subscribe button, y'all, down below, period, okay? So, y'all, if y'all want to see how I got this look, then you should definitely keep on watching, y'all, because it's a vibe all day. And then, you know, my birthday's in 10 days, y'all. Shout out to me, Leo gang. So, yeah, if you want to see this look, keep on watching. Click subscribe. And yes, period. Hey y'all, hey, what's up with it do? Okay, so I've already filled in my eyebrows with this NYX eye pencil in the shade black brown. Now I'm just going with this NYX concealer in the shade golden honey to shape up my brows and use the concealer as a base. Okay. Okay, so the palette I'm using, y'all, is this Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I've had it for a while, and like all my palettes I've had for a while, I just barely use them. I'm taking this shade called Mystic, and I'm just taking this all up into the crease of my eye and just building it up, just tapping it, going to the shape of my eye. So I'm just tapping it, and just so I can build up that color. So I'm going in with this shade right here called Sparks, and then I've been using this Morphe palette, is Morphe Profusions palette as well, this upbeat orange palette, and I'm going in with this rhythm shade right there. So that's what I've been trying to work on and trying to create. In the meantime, where's my mirror? Hold on, y'all. So do y'all think Cardi B stole Hazily and her little baby birthday theme or what? Because Hazel, calm down. First of all, because ain't nobody it's so many little girls who want to be princesses, like, first of all, and then like your baby only turned 1 year old, so it's like she really could have had a baby shark theme, you know what I mean? And it should have been cool. But I don't know, everybody have all white parties, princess parties, Toy Story parties, baby, the Boss Baby, like, that's played out. Like, the Boss Baby shit, I'm tired of. That's one thing I'm tired of seeing, like the Boss Baby stuff. Like, birthday parties got to be planned way in advance. So I'm like, yeah, she looked at your birthday party 3 weeks ago and was like, oh yeah, let me get everything that she had. No, I'm sure she didn't. Like, I'm really sure she didn't do that. I mean, but it is kind of weird, like, even down to like the dress, the dog, like everything was kind of like the same. But I mean, I don't think she got it from her. All I gotta say is these bugs, do y'all hear these bugs? Loud as hell. Like, I'm right here, like my window is right there. Like, you can hear all the bugs, ants, you can hear everything outside. Like, what the freak? But yes, Hazel, it's time to sit this one out. Leave it alone, girl, because why? They're just kids, girl. The kids don't know. They just, you know, the kids don't know shit. They just wanted, you know, what they wanted for their birthday. As long as they had a good time, they got their little Millie rocks and shit. I mean, everything should be good. If everybody had a good time, that's all that matters. They made it to another year, another birthday, whatever. Be blessed, girl, and move the fuck on. And that's all I gotta say about that. I'm trying to figure out what Ari gonna do about the damn stylist that said, come get this shit back in blood, okay? Shots fired, like, for real. Like, it gotta be some type of, you know, karma on how you did that promoter, you know, with the little party you was supposed to show up at. No, you know, you was wrong, girl. You could at least sent a little picture, a little 10-second video of you saying why you can't come. I can't make it, X, Y, and Z, up to bam. But you know, I'll show up, you know, this day. I ain't gonna say because it was a family emergency, because you know she was lying about that. Like, you didn't miss no flight. There was no family emergency. What the hell else? Just want to see your mans perform at the BET Awards. Simple, I mean, keep it 100, because that's what I would have did. She just pretty much, at the end of the day, y'all, she just had to make a 10-second little video saying that she could not make it, and she will make it up to her people anyway and anyhow she can. Now the promoter, he did everything he was supposed to do. And I like the promoter. He was legit. I like the promoter. He was cool. He don't want no smoke. He's for the people. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? So, because he getting cussed out, you know, by the people. And they're asking him questions like, where's she at? Why this? Y'all never pay X, Y, and Z. But no, everything was handled. Everything was handled, at least on their part. But it's just Ari who just didn't come through for the, because if it was me at the party waiting on Ari, you late to the party, Ari. If it was me, child, I'd have been like, oh no, I need all my money back right now. So, you know, think about a lot of people coming to you all at once saying, I want my money back. Where is she at? You did this, you did that. And you're just the promoter. You're just trying to get answers on her part. It's all about communication. But Ari, all you had to do was send the video, send a picture, and everything would have been good. And y'all know what would be killing me, like, to the core is, like, because Ari, she went on live the other night and was like, y'all need to stay out of my business. You need to stay out of my business. Mind the business that pays you. And this is for anybody. Celebrities, gurus, regular schmegular, whatever you want to call it. This is for anybody. If you don't want people to know your business, be in your business, exploit your business, don't talk about it on social media. Don't post about it on social media. Don't bring it up around amongst people that are going to talk. I mean, don't do it. That's how things get started, and that's how people put their noses in your business, because when you post it or when you talk about it, people are automatically going to have their 2 cents. They're going to have negative comments, positive comments, good, bad, the ugly, sweat, the tears. It's going to be there. So if you don't want people to talk about it, then don't post about it, period. So that's all you gotta do. That's for anybody. So, but all y'all drama does keep me very, very entertained, so I ain't complaining. So should I do an eyeliner or not? Because I want to, but I kind of don't, because I take forever trying to get it perfect. So y'all gonna see next clip. We're gonna see. Okay, so I've already primed my face. I used this NYX Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa primer. And so now I'm about to go in with this Maybelline, what is this? This Maybelline Dewy Smooth foundation. This is in the shade Mocha. So I'm gonna, where's my mirror? Oh, it's right here. This is actually a better match for me anyways. So I just took some of this Juvia's Place concealer under the eye. So now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this Milani concealer just to brighten it up. And so I know y'all heard about Little Dark in India, little home invasion, y'all. Absolutely scary. Like, I would hate to ever be in that situation. Good thing, and yes, good thing that they were able to defend and protect their home. But at the end of the day, y'all, like, That is not relationship goals, y'all. If y'all say don't Turk and India relationship, no, because me personally, I would hate to be put in the situation as a female. Yes, you know, you have to be aware, you know, if your boyfriend or whoever is a rapper or in this type of industry or in that type of field of work, you have to be on your P's and Q's at all times. You know, don't be naive that things cannot happen to you, because when you do have the jewelry, the money, the cars, the clothes, the shoes, the music, people are going to be jealous, envy of you, and there's going to be people coming left and right and trying to come at you every single time, no matter if it's trying to rob you, steal your music. I mean, it could be anything. Pop Smoke got killed and he was only 20, 21, like, and he was just getting started. Like, wow. So, and I always be like, and ever since I seen that picture of Lil Durk in a car with Lil Baby and he was looking scared. Oh my goodness, y'all. I was scared for him, period. But in all honesty, prayers to them and their family, because that was a dangerous, scary situation. So you already know I'm going in with this Juvia's Place palette. And it was going right here on the little contour, y'all, just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm just using a little Wet n Wild highlight for the cheeks, just like that. On the nose, a little bit. So that is it for right there. So I lined my lips with this brown lip line, and I use like a little darker at the top just to make it a little bit more definition, to give that, you know, I don't even know what it's giving, but it's giving. Okay, so just because I want my lips to be a little bit more matte, I'm just going in with this Nyx setting powder and just patting this on the lip, because I want a more of a matte lip. So I'm just gonna pat that dry. Okay, so lastly, I'm just gonna set my face with this Nyx Setting Spray. So what I'm about to do, y'all, real quick, I'm about to just put some of this, the highlight that I use, just right here in the corners of my eye. Like so, like that. I'm just kidding, y'all. I need to stop. I be hyping myself up way too much. Why? Because I can do that. That's my business. Okay. Okay, y'all, so this is my final look. Y'all, I love these earrings. I got these at my hair store for like $2. They have all kinds of different, you know, designs and stuff. I'm not even sure what's on these, but they have some with like hearts and stuff on them too. I'm gonna go back and get some more, okay? And then this yellow golden shirt I got at Forever 21. It says thanks a bunch. I like this shirt because I say thanks a bunch a lot. And I was like, you know what? That shirt's made for me, okay? So yeah, so this is it. Got my hair slicked down. Good old ponytail. And yeah. This is it, y'all. So if you like this look, you like this video, whatever, comment down below. Hit that like button. Make sure you are subscribed for your girl. And yes, periods. Okay? But yeah, I am your girl KB, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video.